The fact that a real world job, nothing about that is attractive to me. But being somewhere where you don't want to be for 365 days a year, it's insanity. But unless you don't know any better, that's what you know. I always wanted to do something different. I just didn't have the vehicle to do it. When my son was born, when he was born, it changed the way I looked at a lot of things. Did I have to give him, sorry, the opportunities that I never had, which then led me to you. It sparks a dream again, you know, and you get that first sale and you get that feeling of holy shit, this is something that works, this is something that I can do, you know, because you're looking at 5-figure payout that, you know, most people work a year, half a year to make that amount of money. It's a win. It's a big win. The journey that I'm on now, you could never put a price tag on. It's worth every penny of it to invest in yourself. You can never go wrong investing in yourself.